Hi, it's Wayne from YDiet, and I wanted to just go over step one. These step videos are usually 2-3 minutes, so let's get right down to it. Here is step one, body fat, and it shows up in graphs here, so you can see here I've done two entries already demonstrating I've gone from 13.03 body fat down to 7.64. So let me go ahead and click on step one. On the left side are log entries, add a new item. So I've done that twice here. I've filled this out twice, once on the 28th of October and the 6th of January of this year. And you can see there's a 5% body fat difference there. So basically we use fat calipers, the most accurate method other than a dip tank, which most people can't afford. And the fat calipers are very cheap. You can buy them off our site, off our store. Join here. And basically on the right side here is a imagery of each one of the calibrations, male and female. You can click the buttons, go through them, pause it, let it run as a slideshow. Basically, what you do for step one is go ahead and add new, and you can see the form that comes up. And I like these little pictures here because they actually are pretty accurate in body shape structure. So when you get to step two, which is core information, you might want to use this a little bit as of a gauge, so you're realistic with your goal. Here, of course, is age and your weight, so you'll need a scale, and then you're going to write these down in millimeters. Now, we'll actually have a video added to the site for someone doing the body fat, but you can use the slideshow as directions, and always ask help desk if you have any questions. These are measurements in millimeters, and don't forget that our little calipers, each line is 2 millimeters. So the minimum that you can put in is 2, and because our engine doesn't attempt to go any lower, once you get past 7-6%, it becomes a little bit of a form of chaos because you're very lean at that point. We actually don't support past the 7.6 value of body fat. So after you've filled this form out, and I'll just close this one here, you're going to end up with, and we can just go look and edit this form, but you can see my entries here, and it ends up giving you a bone density value and male. Now the form's a little tricky because when the last step that you have to do is click on your gender. If you end up touching one of these fields and that being your last touch or step, this will reset itself. So this has to be the last one that you click, and then you click submit, and that will submit your form. And that pretty well covers step one.